Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. If this is your first time to my channel, I'm Violet and I hope you consider subscribing. So welcome to day 3 of 12 days of Christmas DIYs. And I'm also going to share with you how I set up and what I used for my hot chocolate station. So the first DIY that we're going to be making is this actual candle holder stand, and I made 2 different ones. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you do enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. And also don't forget to go check out the other 2 days of 12 days of Christmas DIYs. So I'm going to share with you what I used and how I decorated my hot chocolate area. So what I did is I'm going to use the 2 tier trays that I did do a DIY on those, and I'll make sure to leave that tutorial somewhere around on this tutorial as well, and also in the description box. So here are some shot glass peppermint cups that I found at Dollar Tree. I think these are so cute and they're individually wrapped. I don't know if I'll ever use these because that's a lot of peppermint, but I just thought they were really pretty. So I grabbed 3 of those, and I'm also going to use some of the peppermint spoons, some marshmallows that I found, and different variety of chocolates and some cookies. So we have a variety of things that we're going to be adding to our little stand. First, I went ahead and I'm going to use one of these containers, and also they're from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to pour and put some marshmallows in one. Then I'm going to put some chocolates in the other one, and I grabbed some regular just plain chocolates and also some peppermint chocolates. I love peppermint in my hot chocolate. Let me know in the comments below if you like it too. I know some people don't like peppermint at all, but for hot chocolate, it's a must for me. So I'm also going to reuse one of these glass containers that had a candle in them with the lid. So the way I wash those and to be able to reuse them is I actually boil water, and I put the water after I wash them into the container with a little bit of vinegar, and I allow them to sit for a while. Then I just rewash them again, and you get rid of all the smell and the wax from inside the container. So that's perfect for you to use for any kind of different items that you want to put in glass. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my chocolate and marshmallows on one tier tray. Then I'm just going to start decorating and figuring out where I want to put the rest of the things. And in Dollar Tree, I also found these little cups. They're for my coffee machine, which I've never seen before there, but I did see regular coffee and the hot chocolate. I just grabbed the hot chocolate, and they come with 3 little cups in each container. Then I'm just going to grab some of these regular hot chocolate packs and put them all into one basket. Then I grabbed this little sled from Dollar Tree, and I thought it would be perfect for napkins, but as you can see, they don't quite fit the way I thought they would. So I decided to go ahead and get these spoons and put them into my little sleigh, which I thought was beautiful and perfect. I thought it was just a sweet little touch to add those into there. So I'm just going to go ahead and put them on my second tier tray, the lower one. And I decided to go ahead and use one of these soap dishes to put my little shot peppermint glasses as well. So this is a simple hot chocolate stand area, but you can add so much more here. You can add some chocolate spoons, you can add just all kinds of varieties of sprinkles, but I just wanted to keep it simple, and again just use things from that I've DIY'd and also from the Dollar Tree, just to share with you how adorable and how easy you can make your little hot chocolate stand. So here I'm just decorating with some DIYs, and I decided to add some green garland on the bottom because I thought I needed something extra. So there you have it, your little hot chocolate area. So for the candle holders, what I did was use one of these glass candles. They're for the votive candles, and I believe they come 2 in a package, at least this one did. Then I'm going to use one of the round candle stands or plates and put it right on top to make a miniature tier tray. Then I'm going to grab some of these mini Christmas ornaments and just hot glue them different ways around the rim of my candle plate. This candle stand was so easy to make, but it's so adorable once I spray painted it and made it my own style. So as you can see, I'm just kind of arranging each one of these ornaments a different way, just so you can see the different ways it looks, but you can also put them all the same way as well. I just wanted it to be more fun and whimsical, so I decided to go ahead and just alternate and change them up, each one of the ornaments a different way. So once you're done adding all of your ornaments around your little dish, you go ahead and remove each one of these little gold hooks on the top. And they're really easy just to pop off. And I'm doing this in order for me to spray paint my candle holder. And then once it's all dried up, after you spray paint it, then you just go ahead and pop these little hooks right back onto your ornaments. And I'm spray painting mine all green. For the next one, I decided to go ahead and just use the dish without making it into a stand. So all I did was grab some of these pine cones, and I'm just going to glue them around the rim of this one. And I thought this was so pretty, so simple, but you can use it for a farmhouse, for a rustic look. I think you can even use this more for a glam as well if you wanted to add some Mod Podge or regular Elmo's glue onto the pine cones and then add some glitter. I think that would look really pretty as well. Let me know how you're going to make yours. So this one, basically all you're doing is just adding your pine cones around the dish, and that's it. You're done. And this is the way it looks once it has all been done with your candle inside. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. And again, don't forget to go check out the last few days of my 12 days of Christmas DIYs. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.